Daddy and Mama's house. Go!
Okay folks, we're going to try a chocolate chip cheese bar today. Here's my 9 by 9 pan. We're going to get some chocolate chip cookie dough and line the bottom of the pan here. This is a 30-ounce roll of this, so I don't know if we need the whole thing, but might use it and we'll see. Anyway, you want to line the bottom of the pan. Next, I want to get half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to try the whipped cream cheese, or you could use the other cream cheese and use a beater, but I'm going to see if I can do it by hand. So here we go. For this, I'm going to start with a big salad fork, see if we can mix it together without too much hassle, without having to get the beater out. Okay, so now we're going to put the cream cheese in with the sugar. This is a 12-ounce. I think I'll just go ahead and use it all. Some of it's missing. I think it's calling for an 8-ounce regular cream cheese, so we'll give it a shot. Alright, I'm just going to spend a few minutes mixing in the sugar with the cream cheese, and we'll see what happens. See if it goes good. Be back. Alright, see if we can see this as it's going. Hopefully. You get the idea. Let's mix this up. See if we can get it mixed in good like you would with the blender. Okay, I'm going to try a few. Get it mixed in.
Do 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 do.
And you just want to keep stirring. So actually it looks like it's coming along pretty good. Alright. Do a little bit more. Okay, and then we're going to set the oven for bake at 350. Alright, make sure nothing's in the oven. Alright, sounds good. Okay, here's our cream cheese. Looks like it actually did pretty well. Better than I thought it would. Okay, now it's... So remember, we got the 12 ounces or so of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar. Actually, I tried some imitation sugar, so we'll see what happens. I'll put the names, I can't think of it off the top of my head. Okay, and then we're going to need 1 egg in there. So let's get that going. Okay, we got the egg in there, so now we're going to go for some more mixing. Seems like the salad fork actually did pretty well with this, so we're going to go for it. Okay, this is way easier to stir than cream cheese, so I'm going to keep it going. Have fun. Okay, we're going to get this, mix this up. I'm not sure how many times to go around on it. Here, yes, I'd say at least 150 beats, so we're going to do that. Okay, back in a second. Alright, there's over 150 whips with the fork, so I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator along with the pan until the oven heats up closer to 350. Okay folks, we're getting at 25 degrees away, so we are going to, here's your greased 9 by 9 pan. Put our cookie dough in there. Make sure your hands are clean. And always when you're cooking. So I got, I don't know, quite a bit of the cookie dough in there, so what we're going to do is, I don't know if we're going to use all this, we'll see. But now we're going to put our cream cheese on the top of this cookie dough. Okay, switch to a spatula, we got all that in there. So now I'm going to spread it around. I wouldn't get too close to the edge, I'm not real sure why. I've done none of that before, and it would be the first stuff to start burning on here. So let's get this spread out real quick. And I'm a little slower than the oven. The oven already heated up. So let's get this all the way out here real quick. Come on, go, 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 go. I hope it's going to be good. Okay, now we're going to take the cookie dough and put it on top of this. Okay, here's what I got. Crumbled some more on there. I didn't use all this 30-ounce thing. Seems like an awful lot, so there's about what I used. That seems quite a bit. Anyway, we're going to try it. All right, it's going in the oven. I think, too, I'm not a big fan of raw cookie dough, never have been. But always make sure if you're going to munch on this stuff, look at the package to see if you can eat that. Of course, the cream cheese got raw egg in there, too, so we're going in. It's going to go in for 25 minutes or so, maybe a little longer, and then we'll find out and take a look at it at 25. Okay, since it's in the oven, you get busy and clean your pans and everything up. Let's get her done. That way you can relax and enjoy the cookie bar. Yeah, next thing to do right now is get out either a trivet, or if you have a rack to set it on. All right, let's see how it's doing in there. Doesn't look too bad. Coming along. This says something too, folks. You need to refrigerate, since it's got the egg and stuff in there and the cream cheese. So leftovers need to refrigerate. Hey, 25 wasn't quite enough time, so I gave it up to another 10 for 35, which I believe is what it should have been in the first place. Let's see how she's looking. Ooh, man, browning up pretty good. So we're gonna go, and then we're gonna do the old toothpick thing in the center to see if it's done when it's done. So we're gonna let it in there. It looks like it needs to brown more on the top yet. Okay, we're 31 minutes in. We're gonna check it. It's not done yet. Okay, folks, here's the finished creamy chocolatey chip pieces. Okay, folks, here's the crispity chocolatey. Okay, folks, here's the cream cheese chocolate bar. If you like the crust side, or if you like the center, yeah, it's chocolate chip cookie and cream cheese filling. Actually, give it a shot. I cooked it a little bit longer than 25 minutes, so 25 minutes was wrong. I should have put 35, so right around 35 minutes. But keep an eye on them when the center's done. All right, enjoy.